Hey everyone, I'm Mike Yawney, technology specialist with Breakfast Television and City News. I'm here at Collision. It's one of the fastest growing technology conferences in the world. But one thing they're all talking about is 5G and how that's going to impact the future.
Thinking about 5G, it's the 5th generation of the mobile network. Speed is going to be a huge factor in it. Today, a lot of our speed is delivered over fiber optic networks. Imagine that same speed over a wireless network. And we really wanted to be here at Collision to help people imagine what's going to be possible in both their business and their daily lives. You can see the cityscape that we have here, and that's technology we could do today. So what are we going to do over the 5G network? Well, we want you to be able to wear it and experience it in the real world. We're going to transport you so you're standing in the middle of this city and you're going to be able to see the same buildings, but now those buildings are in real life all around you. The objective here is to try to get the ball from one end of the maze all the way to the other by controlling it remotely with this controller. When you do it over a 4G network, what you're going to find is accuracy and the speed at which the table responds. It makes it a little bit harder for the ball to get around. But if we actually switch it over to 5G, the speed that you're actually sending the information to the table is increased dramatically.
So this is 5G now?
Absolutely.
This is really neat because you could physically feel the difference.
If you think about a firefighter, they're going into a burning building. Visibility is really poor. Imagine this VR setup is actually built into a firefighter helmet. What that information is being captured on the camera is relaying over the 5G network to a remote computer. Infrared imaging is helping you identify where there's hot spots, cold spots, maybe even the human that you need to go in and rescue.
Right, you know, when we talk about latency with gaming, I mean, that's just fun, but this lives are at stake here. Latency is key not to have any latency.
It's your life as a firefighter. It's also the life that you're trying to save.
So there you go. We took a look at some of the demonstrations here at the Rogers booth, and I think, Matthew, that really kind of helps put it in perspective on how this is going to impact our lives. So thank you so much for the tour.
It's my pleasure. I hope you really got a sense of seeing what's possible on the Rogers 5G network.